Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about data structures in Python basics. What is a data structure? Organizing data, managing data, and storing data is important as it enables easier access and efficient modifications. Data structures allows you to organize your data in such a way that enables you to store collection of data, relate them, and perform operations on them accordingly. And types of data structures in Python. So Python has implicit support for data structures which enables you to store and access data. These structures are called list data type, dictionary data structure, tuple data structure, and set. So Python allows its users to create their own data structures, enabling them to have full control over their functionality. The most prominent data structures are stack, queue, tree, linked list, and so on. So which are also available to you in other programming languages. The basic Python data structures in Python includes the basic Python data structures in Python includes that are list, set, tuple, and dictionary. So each of the data structure is unique in its own way. There are four collections of data types in Python programming language that are list, tuple, dictionary, and set. What is a list? A list is a collection which is ordered and changeable and allow duplicate members. And tuple. A tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable and allow duplicate members. A set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable and unindexed, no duplicate members. And dictionary. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered and changeable and no duplicate members. So these are the definitions of list, data structure, tuple, dictionary and set. So now we are only the definition, and in my next videos clearly I will explain list concept, tuple concept, dictionary concept and set concept. See the data structures. These data structures differ based on mutability and order. So mutability refers to the ability to change an object after its creation. So the meaning of the mutable objects can be modified, added or deleted after they have been created, while immutable objects cannot be modified after their creation. So that is the difference between mutable objects and immutable objects. So this is the introduction to the data structures in Python.